Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to today's NZ Hangouts online. And what we will discuss today under the topic of explore and discover, what is Wi-Fi heat mapping and why it is important, that aspects we are going to understand today, right? So let me share my screen and show you. Hope you are able to look at this. So these are one of the good Wi-Fi heat map softwares. So what is Wi-Fi heat map? So let us look at this picture, and understand. So if you have a layout like this, so this is a typical, office cubicles that are there. Okay, and there are different you could also look at one of the a residential heat map. Here, this is a residential heat map. And you have uh, you know, different meshes that are distributed in the house. So how is the strength of these Wi-Fi meshes vary over the space? Because you have many attenuation factors, isn't it? You might have wall built of this. Okay, it could be a brick built, it can be a stucco, it can be a weatherboard. You could have many plants inside the house. You could have a lot of paintings, thick metal wardrobes, lots of other electronic gadgets like that. The presence of these other electronic devices or other things like this inside the house can significantly affect the way your Wi-Fi is available in the space. So by doing this activity of heat mapping, you can effectively determine how many meshes do you need, what is the strength of them, and how you can distribute. Okay, I'm going to first discuss about few of the free tools, or paid tools that are available. So here are some of the compilation made by comparitech.com, right? More or less, the lists are similar even by other magazines or other editors, right? So Solar Wind's Network Performance Monitor, this is one of the best. Ekahau, AI Pro, NetSpot, acrylic Wi-Fi heat pumps, heat maps, VC-Wave site survey, air magnet survey, thermograph site survey. So these are they are free, freemiums. So there are free account opening, but there are certain premium features that you need to pay for if you like. So like that, these are few of the premium products. So one of the sites, let's take VisiWave. This is one of the products that I have tried out, and this is free to use. You might have to purchase the premium license at a fee at later stage for certain premium features, but otherwise you can try it out for free, and there is free version as well that you can use to some of the free features. All right, so let us look at how this particular uh, software VCWave works. It's very easy. So you simply have to click on this button which says download now, and you will have to fill up few of the details. So what product do you want? You want the older version or the latest version that is available? Fill out your email address, your name, your organization, and download. All right. And once you download, what you do with it, I'll tell you. All right. So let me stop the screen share, and all right, I'll show you once you have that software running. I'll open the software and show it to you how it works, and then I will also show you how the things work. Right. So I'm showing you the software. I'll just say okay, and you're basically looking at the software. All right, this screen. So you can go to file and create a new section. All right. So what is the name you want to give? What is the map? We'll have to upload the map. Let's say I'll just upload one of the maps that is available of my house. All right. So this is the map. Then you have to set the scale. Okay. So that scale has to be set. So you can say interactively, then just move around this particular here so that you know what you're talking about. So this is basically in feet, 15 feet. So that is how I'm setting up the scale. Now you can say continuous capture mode. So now I'm basically capturing it. So just click on this button and then start collecting. Okay, just carry your device. And currently, where are you positioned? Let's say you are here. And then carry the device here. All right, and see how it travels and all. All right, I'm going to stop that now. Okay, so that is how you can collect samplings. And once the samples are there, you can post-process it and generate reports. I'll show you how a typical report looks like. All right. So this is the typical report. Okay. So like I told you, I traveled everywhere and collected this sample data. So it automatically has recognized where is the source of my mesh. So this is my first mesh, this is my second mesh, and this is my third mesh. And as you can see, the relative distribution of strength. So the darker the color is, the stronger the signal is. The yellow spots here are the weaker ones where the Wi-Fi is not really available well. It could be for several reasons. Like I said, it could be interference with other electronic devices. It could be basically some thick walls that have some high attenuation factors, plantations, anything. So that is where, these places we could improve by placing one more Wi-Fi mesh here or slightly changing the positions from there to here to here. These kind of things can be done. So this is called redistribution. So once you do this, you will be able to get a better signal. All right, I'm going to stop share. Hope this session is insightful to you and you have got some idea of how the Wi-Fi heat map can be visualized, generated, so that you can effectively get how your Wi-Fi reception is there in your house, in your office, in your workplace, anywhere you like. And that is how you can maximize your signal strength by choosing right number of mesh and also their distribution. All right, two aspects. How many number of meshes you need? And second one is how do you distribute them? How do you keep them so that your signals are maximized and you get better reception, right? Hope you find this particular session very useful. Keep joining NZ Hangouts. We have every Tuesday at 2 p.m. where we talk about explore and discover. Like this, we talk about one of the technological product, we explore, we understand the concept behind it, how to use it, and we get some insights into it. On Wednesdays, we have Q&A, the organization question and answer sessions at 2 o'clock for 15 minutes. Then on Thursday, 2 o'clock, we have got what is known as One Skill App, where we talk about one particular skill that you can improve in one of your favorite tools. Like it may be a social media platform like Facebook, it can be a mass communication tool like WhatsApp, it can be Zoom, it can be Microsoft Word, it can be Google Docs, it can be any of the popular products that you use in everyday life, that probably one particular aspect that you might not have known before, or something which you will learn a new way of doing it, right? So please do join us Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 2 p.m. Till then, take good care of yourself. Stay cool.